What are we doing?
Okay. I fell off the swing and landed on my head there. Thank you very much.
Where is it? There it is.
What does that say?
It's not the same thing as just a cup.
That's my wrist. Woohoo! And that's my other one.
Do you like my hat? Do you like my hat?
Nope.
What's up? Yeah, this is our friend Dalen. That's Haley and I'm Jana. I'm Billy.
I'm Eddie.
I'm Billy, and this is Dalen.
I'm Eddie.
Taylor.
I'm Eddie.
I'm Billy.
I'm Eddie.
I'm Billy.
I'm Eddie.
I'm Billy. Huh?
Thanks, Jana.
Yeah, my nickname is Billy, but my real name is Jana.
I'm a vampire.
This is my necklace. I'm a vampire too.
No, she's not. She's a wannabe. I don't.
Here, go to the top. Go to the top.
Just wait. Just wait. I'm doing
It's
it.
my music.
What is your dog doing?
Here, go back to the video. Go back to the video. This is my doggy. My dog. Yeah, Luke wants to be in the video too.
This is the back of my head. See?
This is the back of my head. Hello guys. Yeah, we just stole some things from Live Lava Live. Sorry, Mitchell. Sorry, Measy.
I'm not gonna do it. She's weird.
You didn't? I had it before.
Tokyo Hotel is my favorite band.
AC/DC is my favorite.
Aside from Cinema Bazaar and, all those other new bands.
Like Slipknot.
Slipknot's raw, right? Slipknot's awesome.
Slipknot sucks.
Slipknot's awesome.
AC/DC is awesome.
AC/DC sucks.
Your mom sucks.
Your dad sucks.
I know.
Oh, I just called you dad. He sucks.
Oh. Wait, how did the farmer move his cows?
Moving
With a moving van.
She's dumb.
Nom.
I'm so ugly.
I'm uglier.
I'm ugliest.
Okay.
No.
We're done now.
No, we're not.
Yes,
Bye.
we are. We're done.
Bye.
Bye.